Are you a beginner investor looking for a platform that makes long-term investing easy and automated, but still gives you control over what you buy? When I first started investing, I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of platforms and the complexity of building a diversified portfolio. That's why I found M1 Finance to be a game changer, especially for the set-it-and-forget-it approach that I use for my main portfolio. Let me walk you through the 3 best M1 Finance features that I think are perfect for anyone just starting out. 1. M1 Pies, Portfolio Building Made Simple. The first and most important feature is the pie concept. Think of your entire investment portfolio as a giant pie. This pie is broken down into slices, and each slice represents an individual stock, an ETF, or even a pre-built expert portfolio. Customization and visualization. As a beginner, I found the visual interface really helpful. You set a target percentage for each slice, say, 50% into a total stock market ETF, 30% into a bond ETF, and 20% into individual stocks you like. You can see your target allocation clearly, and it's easy to adjust the percentages. Model portfolios. If you don't want to choose your own investments yet, M1 offers dozens of pre-built portfolios, or model portfolios, based on different goals like retirement or responsible investing. This is the ultimate starting point. You pick one, and M1 does the rest, following an established, well-researched strategy. 2. Auto-invest and dynamic rebalancing. This is where the platform really shines for the hands-off, long-term investor like me. Auto-invest. You can schedule recurring deposits, like $100 every week, and M1 automatically invests that money based on the percentages you set in your pie. This enforces a consistent investing habit known as dollar cost averaging. Dynamic rebalancing. As your investments grow, some slices will perform better than others, causing your portfolio to drift away from your original target percentages. M1's dynamic rebalancing fixes this automatically. When you deposit new money, it doesn't just spread it evenly. Instead, it directs the cash first to the slices that are currently underweight, the ones that have performed poorly, bringing your portfolio back in line with your targets without you lifting a finger. You can also trigger a manual rebalance with one click. This feature ensures you're always buying low relative to your targets. 3. Fractional shares and commission-free trading. For a beginner with a smaller budget, this is crucial. Fractional shares. You don't need enough money to buy a whole share of an expensive stock like Amazon or Google. M1 allows you to buy tiny fractions of a share. This means every single dollar you deposit can be put to work immediately, maximizing your compound growth. Commission-free. M1 does not charge commissions on stock or ETF trades. This is a must-have for any modern brokerage, and it keeps your costs low, allowing more of your money to stay invested and grow. The best part? M1 is designed for long-term buy-and-hold investing, which is the most recommended strategy for nearly every beginner. The single or dual daily trade window is intentionally designed to discourage the kind of active, stressful trading that beginners often lose money on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.